Hello everybody. My name is Stevie Cortez and you're going to learn how to take care of what happens when a chicken attacks you. Alright, I need a demonstrator, volunteer. Volunteer, anybody. Hello people, I need a volunteer. Excuse me, will somebody please raise their hand? Hello, somebody raise the hand. Oh, okay, you. Why did you raise your hand earlier? You silly boy. Alright, so when the chicken come towards you, come towards me like a chicken. Immediate kung fu action. Take the arms, kung fu action, and scream. The chicken will then run away. Alright, what happens when it comes to you from the backside? Like a snake! Got it? And when it comes, when you're asleep, back away, chicken! Now let's review those. I'm the chicken! Let's review those really quickly. From the front. From the back. Vishnu! 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 And when you're asleep. Okay. See you next week when we learn how to deal with dolphins.